algebraic equations. Consider a statement like this. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. It can be mathematically expressed as 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Such a mathematical expression is known as a numeric equation. Now consider the mathematical expression t minus 5 is equal to 2. This mathematical expression is an algebraic equation. An algebraic equation has one or more variables. Let us now look at two properties of equations. 1. An equation has two sides, left-hand side or LHS and right-hand side or RHS. 2. An equal to sign that equates the LHS with the RHS. Let us express all the earlier algebraic expressions as algebraic equations. X plus 20 is equal to 25. 30y plus 200 is equal to 1100. Bracket starts a plus 5, bracket closes, into 3 is equal to 45. The value of the variable for which an equation is satisfied is known as its solution. Let us consider the example of algebraic expressions. Keshav buys a toffee and a chocolate. The chocolate is costlier than the toffee by 20 rupees. If the money spent by Keshav on chocolate is 25 rupees, what is the cost of the toffee? Frame an algebraic equation and find its solution. If the cost of toffee is x, cost of chocolate is equal to x plus 20, but the cost of chocolate is given as 25 rupees. Therefore, x plus 20 is equal to 25. This equation is true if x is assigned to value 5. X is equal to 5 is the solution of the equation. It means that the cost of the toffee is 5 rupees. Let us look at another example. Samira buys a book costing 200 rupees and some notebooks costing 30 rupees each. If Samira spends a total amount of 1100 rupees, find the cost of a notebook. Frame an algebraic equation and find a solution. If y is the number of notebooks bought by Samira, amount spent by Samira on notebooks is equal to 30y. Total amount spent by Samira on book and notebooks is equal to 30y plus 200, but the total amount spent by Samira is given as 1100 rupees. Therefore, 30y plus 200 is equal to 1100. 1100 rupees includes the cost of book. Amount spent by